Boys, look onto it. That's what's over top of us right now. Holy crap. Okay. Look onto my car. Jeez Louise. Look at it. A little bit icy. Just a little bit. Eh? Just a little. Oh boy. Yeah, I gotta watch where I'm walking here. Sheesh. Yeah. Zoom in a little bit. Yeah, she's a little bit icy. Yeah, just a touch. A little bit. And it's raining right now, so that's no fun. Did end up getting my garbage out to the curb, though. It's fucking slippery. Okay, well, we'll figure something else to do. I ain't working out here today, I'll tell you that right now. Not going to happen. Not at all. Oh, that's even the wires up there. Starting to melt on it. Let's do on the trees and shit. And on the wires. You hear that? That's freaking something else. Tree across the road. Creaking and cracking. Look at all the little. You can see it on the wires. Hear that? That tree is starting to get all next to our neighbor's tree. Huh. Yeah, should be interesting for the rest of the day. I think it's going to be an interior day today, boys. There we go. I adjusted my setting on my phone here. But anyways, yeah, we're going to try and... I just kind of free-handed. I'm going to make it like a coiled up kind of ropey type of spirally thing on this. This is my first cane. I'm just trying it out, right? So we'll give her a whirl this way. And you see I got some of it in my pocket here. We're just kind of free-handing it. There's the top. So I started there. I got the double all the way around, all the way around. See, I'm just turning it here all the way down to right there. Yeah, stop right there. So yeah, I'm going to try and freehand it and put some kind of a, figure it out here. I don't know. Because it's, yeah, I'm going to just go right to the bottom, I guess, and maybe make a fancy schmancy here at the bottom, like right there at the bottom. I don't know. But we'll see what happens. I might just end up getting a video out today. And yeah, well, I'll show you once I get it all laid out. I guess I don't want to show you all that. That's a little bit boring. Just drawing a line on a piece of wood, right? So I'll get her all drawn up there, and then I'll see what I can come up with here. Okay. All right, there, boys. Oh, let's turn that around. So we got her all marked out. I don't know. We'll see how this turns out. I don't know what this is going to look like. But yeah, just kind of free-handy. Oops, another light grubby. Sheesh. Got to do all that. Some of them are a little bit wider than the others there, but I can fix that when I'm doing it. But yeah, we'll give it a try. See what the hell we come up with. Eh? Why wouldn't I? What the heck? So yeah. Did a few little things around the house today. Really didn't do too much, but yeah. It's freezing rain outside. I don't know. I'll have to check the weather situation. Oh, I cleaned that all up. I went and got dustpan upstairs. Clean that, get rid of this garbage, that garbage, that garbage, recycling in that bag, and the cardboard right there, and that pile of junk over there. Oh, wow. So yeah, I've been cleaning up and watching a couple of videos on the little tablet there. So yes, so we'll see what comes out of this thing here. I think that's going to look kind of cool. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. I might start carving it tonight. Go have supper. And yeah, has sunting, as Pug One will say. I want for sunting. So yeah, okay. Oh, there we go. I think we're out of the woods here. We're right about, see the little pointy little right about there, somewhere in here, right in here. That's where we're at. And thank goodness. It doesn't look like I did earlier today. I don't remember if you remember what I showed you, but this is like up to 6 o'clock. That's the weather radar, so it's kind of dramatically stopped. Still cold, it's still under an advisory, so but yeah, that's the situation. Oh my goodness, I cleaned up my floor a little bit. Big garbage there, some kindling there, some junk here, but yeah, getting there. At least I can get over to my other chair now. Over there, back behind that thing over there, I've got another little station there to take things apart, different things. And there we go. We got this partially started here. I just keep going down and down, and it's going to look like coiled rope when I'm done, I guess. But yeah, it's hard on the hands, boy. Holy. Talk about ridiculous hard carving. Whew. Never carved hickory before, so yeah, this is an interesting adventure for sure. But yeah, I got a long way to go, but I only got a few. But yes, so I'm going to try something out here, see if it's going to work or not. Yeah, so I'll let you know what the hell is going on. I don't know. I don't think it's freezing rain anymore, so I'll be able to finish my raccoon trap tomorrow, maybe. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Anyway, then I'll try this experiment out here and see what you think. Okay, bye. Hello, boys. Oh, what the hell happened? Oh, no, right there. Holy shit. Anyway, yeah. What do you think of this video quality, boys? Can you see me okay? My eyes too good, but yeah. So there you go. This is the camera on my tablet. I don't know if it's any better than on my phone, but eh. Anyways, I was rummaging around down here, cleaning up, and I come across these. Haunted. I don't even know what you call that. It says night vision anyway. These are quite the spectacle, I'll tell you. Oh my goodness! Well, everything is yellow colored glasses, whatever, for night vision, apparently. I don't know. Got them in the box or whatever. Yeah, bugged up my eyes, so. But, yeah. Hey, let me know in the comments below. You can see my carving in there. Any good? Can you get in there, sort of, kind of, sort of? Yes, on it. Like, hold it in the right light, maybe. Yeah, it's starting. It's hard though. Holy. Like I just said, it's hard on the hands, man. Set that aside there for now. Yeah. So let me know what you think of this little experimentation. So, there, that's our first test. Okay, we'll see ya. My face is still. This eye. Okay, can't move this. Just starting to be able to move my cheek now. So we'll see what happens with that. Anyway, it should be alright quality, I think. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below, down below. Okay.